Today I have another fun Halloween recipe for you guys, and this one is for my peanut butter fans. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and I've teamed up with ChocZero, and today I'm going to show you how to make some creepy Halloween spider cookies. Let's get started. Now this is going to be a peanut butter cookie, and we're going to be using ChocZero's peanut butter cups and pushing that down into our peanut butter cookie, and it's going to become the body of our spider. If you're not familiar with ChocZero's peanut butter cups, they're delicious. They're sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. And the best part is you can use any flavor here in this recipe. To start, we're going to be adding 1 cup of creamy peanut butter to a bowl, along with a 1/4 cup of granulated sweetener of your choice, and then 2 tablespoons of golden sweetener. You could use monk fruit blend or erythritol, whichever one you want. I'm also gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Beat this together until it's smooth, and then we're gonna add the remaining of our ingredients. You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 egg. Mix it together until it's smooth, and now our peanut butter cookie base is done. You want to take a little pinch of your dough and roll it into a ball that's around like 1 inch in diameter, and place it on a parchment lined baking tray. Then we're going to take our unwrapped peanut butter cups and press them down into our cookie. You could press them either way, either just the bottom side up or the top side up that has the ChocZero logo. Either works in this recipe. Then we're going to bake these cookies in a 350-degree oven for 7 minutes. After they're done baking, I like to put them in the refrigerator just to help them cool a little bit, and it helps the cookies set a little bit more. Once they're hardened, now we're going to decorate them. I'm going to be using some melted chocolate, so I've melted down some of ChocZero's dark chocolate baking chips, and then putting it in a piping bag. You can pipe out little legs for the spiders and then add some eyes if you want, or you could just pipe out some eyes. You can even get creative and make a zombie peanut butter cup cookie. And you can take some of ChocZero's white chocolate baking chips, melt it down, add a little bit of green food coloring, and then use that to make your zombie cookies. These are so delicious. Kids will love these. They're fun to make. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your keto peanut butter spider cookies.